Right. Okay. Well, and then so then explain why he would decide to tell the brand new guy that has never worked with me, oh, don't listen to anything Jared says. You know what I'm saying? Hello? Oh. Don't pay attention to Jared, he'll get you in trouble. Okay, then, yes. So why tell the new guy that after you told me to be more of a leader? You don't see that as being undermining and you just turned 40. Yeah. No, he's my age. Similarly, he has one of his kids was at Treasure's Point with Annalise and would compete with Annalise for all of the roles and plays and stuff, yeah. Interesting. Yeah. Well, I think that makes sense. That I would have a reaction just because the things that, you know, if you're saying that it reminds me of my parents or whatever, then I would, well, I think that I was counting on him being an ally or whatever. Helping to shore up that that support for Jared being known as the leader of the crew, or whatever you want to call it. And when he decides to not, and I have well, and that's where I think that you don't understand the firehouse quote-unquote family. I think that he and I felt a lot more kinship than a lot of the other people, like more so than masked, you know. Rubber masturbating shoes guy, because like, you know, he has 3 kids, I have 4. We come from similar backgrounds all the way around. Like, his father abandoned him when he was a kid. Like, I think that there's a lot that we kind of share. And, you know, he knows, like, he knows Kate, you know, like, he knows a lot of my stuff, and I know some of his. I would say that. We have a lot of similar values, you know. Yeah. Now I'm on my mountain bike. Sure. No, I just think that we share a lot of similar values. You know, he's gone through some of the yucky stuff with me. You know, I've given him advice about his boy. You know what I mean? Like, we've been vulnerable with each other. That's what I'm saying is, like, or he hasn't been communicating. Or maybe he hasn't been communicating. I think that the book, something about the book really pissed him off. Because well, it was like his reaction was so unexpected and I would say out of character. You know what I mean? And part of it was, and he even said this, like, he showed it to his wife, who I know, and she said, because she knew who the author was, and was like, oh yeah, who suggested this? It's all about getting into your emotions. And he said, Jared, and she goes, of course it was. You know, and like that's when I noticed him shift a bit in like how he talked to me and that sort of thing. What kind of stuff? Hollis.